If you're running a Shopify store, chances are you've installed quite a few apps over time. Some helpful, others maybe not so much. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove or delete apps from your Shopify store in 2025, step by step. This process not only helps declutter your dashboard, but can also improve your site's speed and overall performance. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to shopify.com, log it into your account to access your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you can manage every part of your online store. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is your store's control center, where you can adjust everything from products and payments to checkout preferences. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section will show you a full list of all the apps currently installed on your store. You can also see if any of them need updates or adjustments to work properly. Now, scroll through your list and locate the app you want to remove. Once you find it, look to the right side of the app's name. You'll see a small three-dot icon. Click on those dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Uninstall. Shopify will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the app. After you confirm, the app will be removed from your store. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an app from your Shopify store. Before removing any app though, it's always a good idea to double check that it's not connected to essential store functions, like your checkout process, product pages, or analytics. Deleting the wrong app could disrupt how your site runs, so take a moment to review before confirming. Keeping your Shopify store clean and organized not only makes it easier to manage, but can also lead to a smoother customer experience. And that often means better performance and potentially higher sales. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.